So if it's wrongfully placed, it really doesn't know its proper place, so now it feels kind of lost. It's got to relearn again. But then you look at the shadow and it almost looks bigger than you. Your shadow can appear really big by the shadow in the reflection of the sun. The reflection of the sun through you into the sidewalk will put the shadow, which is a reflection of yourself, but it's not really telling you the truth of how big your shadow is comparative to you, but it appears to be bigger. There's a Led Zeppelin song that says, when our shadow is bigger than our soul. So why I'm saying that is to say this, that these are aspects of ourselves. We are a full spectrum of dimensional beings, taking leaps, taking definitely leaps and connecting to ourselves as we're gathering ourselves. The more we become equilibrium, the more we gather. We're in the very heat of Libra. The sun at that high point, that Leo the lion, right? The sun at the high point, that energy of the sun, that battery giver, because that's what it's connected to, right? Learn to use these things, but also learn that shadow part, which may be dark and you may see different, actually has an aspect connected to you that needs to be brought into an understanding, or if you listen to my past video, like somewhat of a treat, an agreement between both sides of you. You're yin and yang. There's a duality in this plane in every aspect. You got sub-dualities. You have water and fire, but you also have parts of water that are ice, and you have parts of water that are boiling, and then you have parts of water that are in between, just medium, just room temperature, or but not boiling, or neither not boiling water and neither ice. So there's subs within the subs. That's how deep the duality goes, and it happens with you because you're very, very powerful, multi-dimensional being with aspects to be totally one side or the other. So the key is to bring that part of you who's part of you, that shadow self, that contrary to you, that may even be the accuser of you when you see yourself actually accomplishing things. It will want to bring your accomplishment to a lower place and even tell you you're not accomplished. You're not working towards it. You'll always do what you always do. You know, you hear those voices. Balance yourself out. Realize the system and then take advantage of being you, drive you. You're the driving force through you. And I got a good word for that I'll be responding to. The word personal. And then I'm going to break that down on the word of the day here soon, because you're going to see it in a whole different light. These words in etymology are a whole different thing. You guys have a great day. Friday. Venus is what it means, Friday. That star Venus. You guys have a great day.